Is that a heart? That looks like a heart. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Can we get a fit check?
By me?
Love.
My metalsmithing class.
So cute. All right, this skirt is Topshop, but I thrifted it. This is thrifted.
Mm-hmm. And who's the necklace from?
How can I forget? She's gonna kill me. The necklace is from Bridget. This is malachite, which it like protects you when you're traveling and stuff. Shout out Bridget, we love.
Salad looks gas. I would like to say that I'm really excited to try a roti. This will be my first one. I'm thinking I want a chocolate one. I just got these cool postcards. Do you want to see them?
Love.
Looks like he's like on some crazy drugs.
You know what
and
that
I love
reminds me of?
it.
Chocolate and banana. Wow.
I have an umbrella.
Where?
Yay! Where are my rib stickers at?
That's a good one. Hello, glute day. Damn. Update here, I fell. Let's see if you can see this. It's not blood, it's rock dust. Now we are watching the sunset. It's like a decent sunset. I'd say like it's like a, I don't know, you tell me, 5 out of 10.
You have your channel?
YouTube channel? I do. You should subscribe.
Okay.
Oh, cute. Aww. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. It's
Sunday morning.
Sunday morning, and we are going to Monkey Mountain. There's going to be lots of
every time.
monkeys.
Usually they're hanging out up here though, and they're not here right now.
Maybe it's because it's busy. Our first friend that we've made is
Mr. Rooster.
this rooster.
There's another one under the fence.
So,
Very tall.
yeah, here. If you bring food, put it in your backpack, because if you're holding it, a monkey will snatch it out of your hands.
Also, careful with your camera because the monkeys. If you hold it like closer to you, like I've had my phone, I always like hold it like sort of close to my body.
If my phone is in here, will they?
No. That's an amazing shot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's so many small ones.
Holy
It's okay. We're going this way too.
look how cute it is. He's got a little.
Watch the video of this guy eating.
Oh my gosh. God damn. Wow. Oh no! He got him. Oh my gosh, he got a Thai tea. Nope. Oh. Oh. You guys are crazy. But I don't want to.
He's just dumping it and then licking it off.
His hands. Oh, don't get stuck. Oh no. Oh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Impressive. Almost dropped it. This might be the one. Really?
We need to talk more to the vlog. Super stunning morning here.
We're going to get our nails done.
Yeah.
We'll try to take some footage with pause.
Nail check. If you can believe it, we will be motorbiking along a highway right here. Then we will be on this island.
There's a road that goes to the top of this hill, and there's a cute coffee shop and like cake place at the top. So we're gonna stop, check out the views up there, maybe walk around. There's also, right when you cross the bridge, there's this like lion Buddha that's like laying on his side, huge golden Buddha.
Seems a little...
Not too far from all the songs I sing when I'm alone late in my car. And if I were the postman awake for the afternoon, I'd be the lucky someone eavesdropping on their tunes. But I think I like it better when I sleep late past their call. For all I know, perhaps the birds don't even sing at all. We all know that love comes easily to you, but not the hurt. You're impervious to blue. I wish I knew how to sing about the other colors too.
Brakes, brakes, brakes! Beautiful. Hot dog. Going to dinner,
On the beach, and apparently they have chocolate chip cookies.
which
Look
are
homemade.
rare here. And we don't have an oven, but we're about to invest in one of those 3-in-1 toaster ovens that has the coffee pot, the griddle on the top, and a toaster oven.
If you haven't seen them,
Here's a picture.
I've never seen them either, so. So this skirt, we 3 of us, maybe 4 of us, all bought this in Prague. It's actually a skirt, which is convenient because then you just can go like this, like this.
This is actually one of my teaching skirts because we still haven't started teaching. So I'm just gonna pretend like we have. This shirt's from Irvin. Yeah, very flowy. I'm not really a maxi skirt gal, but
But it looks great.
thanks. Now I am, you know.
And I love the yellow top. It's got like a 60s, 70s
I thought you were gonna
feel
say a
about
tie
it.
in the back.
Oh, it also features a tie in the back.
Love it. I just want you all to understand and grasp the severe frustration I feel when I try to open my fridge. My number one frustration with this room is that my refrigerator does that thing where like it's shut, it stays like shut, and it's like suctioned shut so tightly that it won't open. So like every time I just go to go get something out of the fridge, I am like tussling with it, like so. Okay. That was different. That was normally I'm like yanking at it, I promise you. Like, it's bad. It's so annoying and it like really ruins my day sometimes. Like I literally am like moving the whole thing. Like, do you see how far off the wall that this thing is? Far off the wall this is, and like how lopsided it is. Just from me like tugging at it. Like, oh, there, here we go. Here we go.